Yeah, man, what go on now? Just make sure you keep on tuning into your channel and like and share and comment and subscribe to your channel, you know. Yeah, big woman level. You don't know today is Sunday. And you know me, I match up a little thing, though. Yeah, man. Good a French fry, some chicken, cause my sister don't like how the French fry chicken thing goes. Some good a shot the next video with that. French fry, some chicken and salt out some fish at the same time, you see it? Yeah, man. It's I pray, you know, you see it? Big woman level. Yeah, man, right now, actually, them woman to come for them today. Turn up the fridge and put like more tough feed on them, you see it? Right, this is chicken. Yeah, man. So, you know, so the first step, you know, have to take them out of the fridge. Chicken do this, so. And you know, so fish do up there so by itself. You don't know, we don't miss chicken with fish, no time. Yeah, man. So, you see them here now. Yeah, man. That's certain things set, man. Yeah, man. Actually, after you take them out of the fridge, you don't know, you put them in a little container and throw a little water upon them. You see it? Depends on how you throw the water to, you know, you can take them out before you go like work and just put them in a container and that will be good, you see it. But you see through me so want them to deal with them now. That's why I start them out. So put them in some water, make them thaw out, chicken and fish. Actually, 2 pounds of chicken here. Actually me pay what? I think $860 me pay for 2 pounds, you see it? Yeah, man, and the fish are 2 pounds of fish, see you see. I pay over that $824. I pay for 2 pounds of fish, same way, you see? So I take out 2 slices. And the rest I go put back in the fridge, you don't know. Yeah, man, I say things said. For real. Yeah, man. And you see, if you not found no, just remember at all time, you see it. After you take out what you want out of meat, put it back in the fridge same time, cause it still, wherever you put it and spoil, you see it. I say things set down, yeah, man, especially enough of them young girls that will last in them phone and not cook. Then I remember say they take out all the meat and put it on. When they remember when it spoil, you see it, cause you don't know on Sunday after you done eat. I sleep, you go sleep. Yeah, and then after you wake, you go to the beach if you want to go to the beach or you do what you want to do. Because you don't know on Sunday you're supposed to done cook early. Yeah, I want to say things said for real, man. Just there go and hold it and I do it for me. You see it? Do it good work. I'm going to shut you up on the coal stove and I'm going to shut you up on some wood fire. I don't know why I pray for it today, but say things said done. Yeah, man. Make sure boy my peace from overnight. You see it? Say peace that boy from overnight. You see it? Yeah, man, you see it right now. I'm not great on my coconut. You see it? The juice in chew in a pot. Cause you don't know things said done. Yeah, man. Show them in a pot where I go and show them the peas there or something.
Yeah. Peas in a pot and yeah. So things set. 2 fireside. Alright. Showing the water in the juice and we'll squeeze the coconut juice and all. Yeah, man. Showing the rice and peas.
Yeah, man. Yeah, you see it. Yeah, man, you see it, look. Yeah, man. Juice this and all throwing on the pot, you see it. Yeah. Can't keep in my paws. Yeah, man, you see that the juice out. Yeah, man.
Easy again, man.
Actually, man, I shot that with some baking, so I don't take out everything.
That's why I see you do this, you know?
Yeah.
Why? I'm watching and see you not squeeze the fucking coconut out now, you know. What the ass this man doing, man? Eh?
Yeah, man.
Little juicy boy give you out, you know. Call up a pot still. Yeah, cause sometimes you make too chang in the rice there.
Yeah, I know.
Make the rice we spoil and then we there if you don't cook down good.
Yeah, man. You see it? You know, say, I trash this for left out time. See him look there, you know. This I got shot some bacon. So bacon almost bad. Yeah, that I shot the bacon, you know. You see it? Yeah. Alright, see it there, you know. I put in my scallion and my thyme and my green pepper and my butter. You see it? Enough people you know. You see some I see a little coconut trash, you tip him back in eye. That make your rice mad. Enough people you know that. You see it? Yeah, man. Actually, you don't know say chicken and the fish me I season up you know. Don't. Yeah, man, I'm out. Yeah, what go on now? Yeah, man, I don't know. I'm there in the kitchen, you see it? Some chicken, they show them what go on the charge. Season up some chicken, you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and that I fish.
Fish over here, so.
Yeah, fish and season or something there, so.
I eat man, you know? Official.
Official, so starting with the chicken and all. You don't know how you.
Yeah.
On this. You see my flying knife at chop. Yeah, man. Don't know how far me have behind the camera, I so make you see him.
Don't know a thing going on.
Yeah, I found the camera man and the chef in the kitchen. So now it's boss in the kitchen. You see it? I want you on this, yeah man.
When you cut up on the thing, you know?
Yeah man.
The thing look more official, you know?
Yeah man. And I see people speed up them video, I don't speed up my video, you know what I mean? You know make it stay same way. Yeah, this is me time. You see it?
I get to see you good and out to we in the kitchen now.
You want this a scallion. French fried chicken, you know. That's why I cut up so big.
Yeah, man.
So, you know, I want the garlic, you know. No, man.
Nah, man, brother.
Yeah, man, just make sure you like the video and share my video and comment and subscribe to the channel, don't. Yeah, man, I don't know. Cooking show no ask for cooking show no go get you, see it? Yeah, man, I garlic this me a bust up.
Yeah, we smoke a good as a top.
Well, that's how I do it, man. Ganja for burn in the kitchen, you know.
Yeah, man.
After me not have no smoking in the kitchen, I have no smoking on the wall, I could smoke, but I don't see no smoking. I see more smoking.
Yeah. What do you mean? Ganja stuff, you know?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, actually, I season the chicken or something now. See fish, they don't know me cut up the garlic, them and something now. See how I come cut you up on the chicken, you see it? Yeah, man, that chicken that and this and fish, you see it? Good old Maggi season, fucking best. You see it? See how that look? Yeah, man.
Oh, there, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Just go so now, whoops. And one over here, sir. Yeah, man. You want me to make it even more spicy for you? Just go so. Whoops. 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 Yeah, it looks spicy now.
What do you mean?
Yes, man.
Up and running.
Yeah, man. You don't know when I go French fry them, you know, when I go fry them, I just them alone I go fry, I go left the seasoning to make the gravy, you see it? Yeah, actually, you do, pause him. Like, just jump off in good still.
Good.
Yeah, man, you see it? Actually, I done this, you see it?
Yeah. Pretty and nice.
Yeah, man, this I got French fry that I chicken and this I fish. I got fry them, you see it?
Yeah.
So you don't know, say, tune in for that same way, don't? Alright. Yeah, man. See, alright. And chicken that for fry, you know, you see it, and the fish that. You see it? Pot, yeah. Cat do this, relax, don't even know 45 there. Cold stove, a bun red down. Yeah, man. You see it? That I pray. Don't know a rice pot that. The rice and paste pot that. I don't know normal there, so though. Yeah, man, you see it. Yeah, man, actually, you want your chicken for taste good down. So, you put it in. Then you go and fry up. And man, actually, you have piece of time to fry up onion, garlic, and pepper, you see it. That's how you start your French fried chicken. Yeah, man. Put in the butter in here now, the butter to fry out actually. Pot ready for chicken now, you see it? Yeah, man. That's how you do your French fried chicken. You gotta burn some seasoning first, you see it? Then you get rid of some of them with extra black and then you start your thing.
Yeah. So what going on, you know?
Don't know.
But so fair some chicken, you know.
Yeah, you have to have a flour, you see it? Flour in decent. French fried chicken is how we are dealing with it. You see it? Yeah, man. That's how we deal with it.
Kind of show a little darkish still.
Yeah, that's it. Show them what's going on in that pot there.
Yeah, man. Be a thing. Yeah, chicken in a look for that sauce.
Yeah, man. French fry, my French fry done. Nice and KFC chicken and then done. But remember, you got to flour them. You see it? Flour your chicken. And you got to skin a chicken, you see it? When you skin it, you don't know, say, season up more nicer. Yeah, man.
Right and proper with you, my boy.
Right and proper with you. Yeah, man. Yeah, the chicken will fry up, you know, you see it? And you don't know a boss there, so. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Over me, but don't know me there, so I do my thing. You see it? The fire there, you know, and fry fish pan it. Yeah, man. And so I do my thing every Sunday, you see it? Shut out my bacon and my natural juice and something, yeah, man. Yeah, man, you see how chicken look pretty in a pot. Yeah, man, you just gotta spend time with the chicken, you see it? Spend time make your chicken fry. And you don't want a high fire under your chicken neither, you see it? No time. Yeah, you just want a low little fire and make your chicken fry. You see it? Right now, see that ready for your fish. Yeah, man, see there, just take them out of that and flour them, you see it? Yeah, man. What do them? Cooking show no after cooking show no go get. You no go get video to no sick a video. You see it? Yeah, man, I saw a thing set. Chicken look good and something.
Yeah. I don't know.
You see it? Actually, my chicken can take out. You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Very nice.
Yeah, man. But spend time make your chicken fry.
Boy, them clean and nice and yo.
Yeah, man, style smell nice.
That's it, right there. Hey.
Yeah,
That's
man.
good.
Show them in a rice pot, I'm going to believe them.
I think that chat things over here, so yeah.
I run some things that is so pretty.
I don't know, we not too much, you know. Yeah. I up there, you know. I up there.
Yeah. Show them in a fish, now. Anything so fish are going to fry.
Alright. So time I go and simmer down, what you mean?
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean?
For real, you see it? chicken. I just want to put it in the camera. Yeah, man, you see it, I boss. Yeah, man, you don't know I farmer that though. Yeah, man, that's how we do it at Jamaica. We no put clothes in a machine for dry. We end up clothes pan line, make breeze and sun blow at that. You see it? But I boss that's how we hold the camera today. You see it? Yeah, man. For real. You don't know what gravy I make you now. So the things we use season up the chicken. I it I go throw in our oil. You see it? Yeah, man. See chicken there. So fried chicken look pretty. Yeah, man. So yeah, go deal with it down. Yeah, this you know. Yeah, I get I say I can't stay for now. You see it? But see look there. Throw some water and thing in there, make me gravy down. You wanna see fish there down. You don't know a certain set. Sunrise boss, I want to them. Yeah man, see look. Actually dinner is ready. Yeah man, French fried chicken with rice and peas. Some tomato for vegetable and some pop chow and something you see it. But see look. Yeah man. Rice pot. Yeah man, this is chicken gravy, you see it? Yeah. Up here some fish gravy down. Then look thick up and nice up down. Just make sure you like, share and comment down. Yeah man, the chicken this and the fish over there so down. See the fish there and the chicken. Yeah man. Alright, farmer.
Yo, this is better than easy, you know.
You see it? That's how we deal with it, you see it? Yeah man, enough food. We eat enough food, you see it?
That's cool.
Yeah man, that's how we deal with it, you see it? Big woman love you, have to just like, share and comment. Yeah, I'm going to blend up some juice, but I'm going to make that all the next video cause. John, what I tell us I'm tired.
Right thing, brother, I food nice.
So not most nice man, you see it. You just got to tune in to Sunrise Ends. I want to you. And tell a friend about my channel.
Really?
So I start making some video with my son too. You see it, it's just time. In life you just got to have patience, you see it, a patient. You know them way there. Not never before time. You know them way there, though. Yeah man, just there I go and wallet.
Big up, man.
Got the wallet. Yeah man, say something to them now, farmer.
I don't know, you know.
Yeah,
I mean, you know. I mash up some food up, you know. Today is Sunday, we have to eat and enjoy ourselves.
Yeah man.
Feel good, so that with the fans. So bless up on yourself, yeah. Enough respect.
Yeah
up
man.
top every time.
Don't know. I'm a farmer that, though. Yeah man. Yeah man. Chicken nourish man. Chicken boy. Chicken sunrise lamb. Just see me video and like my video. I'm going original. This is the original I'm going. Country style. I don't take out nothing. I don't add nothing. Anything I say when I feel night is a tanny night. Anything when I see night when I feel night is a tanny night. You see, just like, share and comment.
Yeah.
Don't know a sunrise boss. I'm out.